Good evening, everyone. I am Vaishnavi Vaiti from Kirin Advisors. Welcome to the virtual roadshow of Borana Views Limited. Today, we will provide the brief overview of the company and its innovative business model. Borana Views Limited is headquartered in Surat, a textile manufacturer specializing in the production of unbleached synthetic grey fabric. This fabric serves a fundamental material for further processing, such as dyeing and printing in various industries, including fashion, traditional textiles, technical textiles, home decor, and interior designing. From the management team, we have Mr. Rajkumar Borana, Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer. Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
CA Viral Vora, Internal Auditor.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good evening, sir. We also have CS Neville Savjani from Wheeline Capital Advisors Private Limited.
Yes.
Good
Hello
evening,
everyone, good
Neville sir.
afternoon. Good evening.
Now let's play a short AV of the company.
Established in 2021, Borana Weaves Limited is a textile manufacturer based in Surat, Gujarat, specializing in the production of unbleached synthetic grey fabric. This fabric serves as a fundamental material for further processing such as dyeing and printing in various industries including fashion, traditional textiles, technical textiles, home decor, and interior design. The versatility of grey fabric allows it to complement a wide range of unbleached fabrics across different styles, making it a valuable resource in the textile supply chain. In addition to grey fabric, our company also manufactures polyester textured yarn, which is produced by heating polyester-oriented yarn, our raw material used in the production of grey fabric. Currently, Borana Weaves has an installed production capacity of over 2,333 lakh meters of fabric annually. Our operations span across 3 integrated manufacturing units, equipped with 700 water jet looms, 15 texturizing machines, 6 warping machines, and 10 folding machines. Borana Weaves is led by its promoters, Mr. Mangilal Ambalal Borana, Chairman and Managing Director. He is supported by Executive Directors, Mr. Ankur Mangilal Borana and Mr. Rajkumar Mangilal Borana, who contribute operational and financial expertise to the leadership team. A core strength of Borana Weaves is vertical integration. Managing our key processes like spinning and texturizing in-house improves control over the supply chain and enhances production efficiencies. We demonstrate a strong operational efficiency, significantly outperforming our peers in terms of EBITDA margin, reflecting our ability to manage costs effectively while driving profitability. Our evolving product mix highlights our focus on innovation and value addition. While grey fabric remains a key revenue driver, we've diversified into polyester textured yarn and RPU-coated fabrics, tapping into the growing technical textiles market. This positions us to meet rising demand in automotive, medical, and industrial sectors. Our machines offer greater precision in the weaving process, resulting in fabric that exhibits uniform texture and consistent quality. With a strong customer base in Gujarat, Borana Weaves' presence in the region has allowed the company to foster close relationships with its clients and consistently deliver high-quality products. This regional presence, combined with a dedication to integrity and customer service, has been key in building trust and driving growth.
Thank you for watching. Now I hand over to Viral sir for the company presentation. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Borana Weaves Limited is presently in the synthetic fabric industry. The present slide shows production trends and demand drivers of the industry. As the sheet suggests, the CAGR of synthetic fabric over last 6 years is 5.19%. As per the latest data available of 23-24, production of synthetic fabric is 123,343 running meters. Next. The synthetic fabric industry comprises of two components, synthetic fibers and blended yarns. Synthetic fiber production as on FY24 till December 23 is 2899,000 metric tons. Production of blended fabrics as on FY24 is 508 million running meters. Next. Synthetic textiles has a very huge export outlook. The key insights of the export outlook for synthetic textiles has been presented in this slide. As per the data available, synthetic textile comprises 108.5 billion INR rupees as on FY24 basis. Next. This is the brief details of our company. We specialized in the production of unbleached synthetic gray fabric. We have 15 texturizing machines, 6 warping machines, 700 water jet looms, and 10 folding machines. We are located in Gujarat, that is in Surat. Next. This slide shows our key facts and figures. We presently employ 666 employees. We have 3 manufacturing units located in Surat. Our annual production capacity is 23 crore 32 lakh 80,000 meters per annum. We have 700 water jet looms, 15 texturizing machines, 10 folding machines, and 6 warping machines. Financials of FY24 are: our revenue is 199 crores with EBITDA of 41 crores and PAT of 23.58 crores. In percentage terms, ROE is 49%, ROCE is 27%, EBITDA margin is around 21%, PAT margin is 11.85%. This slide shows our major achievements and milestones. We incorporated in 2020-21. We started our Unit 1 with an annual production capacity of 4 crore 66 lakh 56,000 meters per annum in 21-22. We commenced Unit 2 with annual production capacity of 8 crore 94 lakh 24,000 meters per annum in 22-23. We commenced Unit 3 with installed capacity of 9 crore 72 lakh meters per annum in 23-24. In 24-25, we converted from private limited to public limited. This slide shows our board of directors. Mr. Mangilal Ambalal Borana is chairman and managing director. Mr. Ankur Mangilal Borana, he is executive director and CEO. Mr. Rajkumar Mangilal Borana, executive director and CFO. This slide shows our independent directors. First, Mr. Kanav Shyamsundar Arora. Second, Mr. Arvind Kumar Rathi. Third, Ms. Nitika Abhishek Soni. We operate in 2 verticals, grey fabric and PTY yarn. As on FY24, 72.17% of our total revenue comprises of grey fabric and 26.43% of our total revenue comprises of PTY yarn. Our Unit 1 has 144 water. Unit 2 has 256 water jet. Unit 3 has 300 water jets. Our all 3 units manufacturing capacities are located in Hojiwala Industrial Estate. Unit 1 comprises of 3,180 square meters. Unit 2 is in 7,224 square meters. Unit 3 is in 7,224 square meters. This slide shows our capacity utilization at a glance. As on December 31st, 24, Unit 1 is operated at 98% of capacity. Unit 2 is operated at 65% of its capacity, and Unit 3 is operated at 85% of its capacity. This is what we are coming up with, our proposed Unit 4. It will have an installed capacity of 11 crore 27 lakh 52,000 meters per annum. It will be a 32% of our total capacity, and incrementally of present existing 3 running units, it will be 48% incremental capacity. Our area is 10,836 square meters. This is our category-wise revenue breakup. In FY22, grey fabric constituted 46% of our total revenue, and PTY contributed 51% of our total revenue. As of December, 84% comprises of grey fabric and 14% comprises of PTY. These are our key financial highlights. As on December 24, our total income stands at 215.70 crores, with EBITDA of 46 crores and PAT of 29.31 crores, with EBITDA margin of 21.75% and PAT margin of 13.85%. Our ROE stands as on December 24 at 38.16%. ROCE stands at 27.11%. Debt to equity ratio stands at 0.70 times. DSCR stands at 4.48 times. Our current ratio as on December 24 is 2.19 times. Receivable turnover ratio is 28 days. EPS is 14.70. NAV is 38.40. This slide shows the profit and loss statement of FY22 versus FY23 versus FY24 versus as on 9 months period ending December 2024. The key ratios are already shared in the previous sheet. This slide shows our balance sheet structure as on FY22 versus FY23 versus FY24 versus 9-month period ended December 2024. Key ratios are already shared in the previous sheet. These are our cash flow highlights. We are pleased to inform that in December 24, we are net cash flow positive. These are our key customer contributions. In FY22, our top 10 customers contributed 80% of our total revenue, and top 5 contributed 66% of our total revenue. The said ratio has drastically been improved in September 24 at 53% and 35% respectively. This slide shows SWOT analysis, that is our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is what makes Borana Waves Limited a unique company in its own, that is its competitive strengths. We are Surat-based makers of unbleached synthetic grey fabric. We are strategic units with water jet looms for uniform textured fabric. We deliver strong financial and operating metrics. We have experienced promoter with exceptional execution capabilities. Our key business strategies are: we capture market opportunities in the growing synthetic fiber industry. We expand customer base and increase wallet share with existing clients. We leverage water jet looms technology for expanding into technical textiles. This is the investment rationale why you all should be part of our journey. We are cost efficient. We have integrated manufacturing facilities. We are strategically located in market. We are in growing market opportunity. We focus on technical textiles. We have customer centric approach. We have innovation in product offerings. We have sustainability and CSR initiatives. Present highlights will be shared by Neville Bhai.
So this is the issue highlights. We'd like to inform you that this entire issue is a fresh issue of 67 lakh 8,000 equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. The lower price band of the equity share is 205 and the upper price band is 216. As a result, it's constituting issue size of 144.89 crores. And as a result, at an upper price band, the post-issue market cap will be 575.54 crores. The anchor is already open today, and we have received an bidding from the anchor, and we will be uploading the list of the anchor very shortly on the exchange website. The issue is open for all other bidders other than the anchor. That is from tomorrow, that is 20th May to 22nd May, and the issue is going to be closed on 22nd May.
Can we move to the next slide? Will sir is
Yes.
back, we can start again.
The IPO proceeds will be utilized for capex of 71.35 crores, funding incremental working capital requirements of 26 and 50 crores, 26.50 crores, and the rest is GCP. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Let's start with the Q&A session, and I request all the participants to post your questions in the comment box. So we have first question from Agarwal. Explain your business model as regards to the unbeat synthetic grey fabric.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Unbleached gray fabric means it's an raw fabric which is to be further processed for its end use. End use should be the different types of like shirting, shooting, saris, kurtis, microfibers for the bed sheets, home furnishing, for home decor. So this is in fabric which is an unbleached gray fabric. It's a raw material to be processed further for the other end use. So this is used as an unbleached fabric.
Okay. Next question. Cogent Invest. What is the advantage Borana is having because of which the company is generating operating profit which is similar to the industry leaders of the ready-made garment players?
As we are in the gray unbleached fabric, so we are not in the ready-made garment. But why our generating profit better because of our some USPs that we are with the backward integration. Secondly, we are in economic in scale. Third, due to the less raw materials are being purchased, so we get some bulk discounts. So these are the main, and we are having a better floor efficiency. These are the main key role that we are generating good profits.
Okay. Next question, please. Ankit, can you please tell how company begin its operations and how has its positioning evolved in the synthetic fabric industry over time?
We started our company, corporate company in 2021, and we installed 144 water jet loom in 2020, 21-22. And after in 22-23, we added another 256 loom. And in 23-24, again, we added around 300 looms. Along with this, we also added our backward integration within 15 texturizing machines, 6 warping machines, and 10 folding machines. And as the synthetic fiber over a period of time, the demands are rising. So we are continuously doing the expansion in the same.
Next question, please. Angela George, I wanted to understand what is your contribution from home furnishing segment, and going ahead, what will be the share from this segment?
Uh, we don't have the exact figures in the percentage, but slowly and steadily we are increasing in the home furnishing segments as the demand in growing in the same sector also.
Okay. Next question. Devesh Purohit, can you share the leadership team's experience in the textile industry and how their expertise is contributing to the company's value creation?
The leadership team, as we are, as I myself from textile industry since 1999, and my younger brother also joined the same textile business in 2001. So we have, and my father is also in textile since long. So we are having an our own in-house team, and even we have appointed our SMP and everything are from the textiles. And Surat, it's you can say it's the big huge infrastructure of the synthetic fabric in the Surat. So we are appointing that team also at the same time.
Okay. Next question. Hidden advisors. Anyone wishes to ask the question, they can type their question in the comment box. Questions will be answered once the presentation concludes. Mani Ahuja, who are our top 5 customers across business verticals? Can you please share their names and prospects?
Uh, Sorry to say, but we can't disclose the name of our customers.
Next question. Mahma Roberts. Sir, we have almost doubled our capacity every 18 months, and currently we are at around 8 times capacity from the beginning. So this trend will continue.
Yes, we are getting good demand of the synthetic fabrics, and at the same time, we are also diversifying the industry in the textile, like this luggage industry, then home furnishing, then shooting, shirting, textiles. So we are getting good demand. So hopefully, we will be continue to expand the same way.
Okay. Next question. Nikhil Singhania. Is there any effect on our business due to textile import ban from Bangladesh, which government announced recently?
Actually, I think it will be having nothing adverse effect, but I think it will get to be the positive effect because many garments are coming from the Bangladesh. So now maybe we'll get the good demand in the India of synthetic fibers. So I think it's a positive sign, and even that UK that we have done the FTA that will also help us looking towards the future.
Okay. Next question. Cogent Finvest. Why are we having multiple plants instead of one large plant, which will help us in operating leverage?
Yeah, we are in the Surat, so we are in the nearer only. We have all 3 units in the radius of around 200 to 300 meter only, because the land was of the promoters and they are given on the lease to the company for the long term. So they have in the same pocket, but in the little bit nearer area. So we are having a different location, but it's just nearer in 2 to 300 meters only.
Okay. Next question. Angela George. Can you give more insights on technical textiles, and does this have higher margins?
Yes, in technical textile and in home furnishing, we have little more margins compared to the textile and everyone. But we can't justify the especially that the what is the difference between them. But of course, we are getting some better margins than the this garment industry.
Next question. Harsha Joshi. In your December 24 income statement, other income is reported at approximately rupees 409 lakhs. So, can you clarify the nature of this income?
Viral by to you.
That nature of income is in the form of the interest subsidy.
Okay. Next question. Devesh Purohit. Where you see yourself in next 3 years in terms of scale, market presence, and growth strategy?
As we are growing, so in the future also we are trying to grow as we are growing the past, looking towards the demand. So we are getting good demand. So we try our level best to scale more and more as and when required.
Okay. Next question. Arjun Verma. How are our pricing with the customer and how frequently are prices revised?
So generally we have then a order book of around 45 to 60 days. So as and when before 15 days of the completion of order, we take the new orders, and price revision is being done as per the market demands and the raw material prices.
Next question. Nisha Barot. What are your plans for technology upgradation over the next 2 to 3 years?
Every year actually we are doing the technology upgradation as and when required. So whatever we are expanding our whatever unit we have expanded, that is with the latest technology, and what is our upcoming unit will be with also an technology upgradation only. So we are presently having an latest technology only.
Okay. Next question, please. Siddharth Upadhyay. What are our competitors in unlisted space and how we differentiate from them?
In unlisted space there is a competitor, but we are differentiate due to our economic of scale, and you can say due to our floor efficiency.
Okay. Next. Devesh Purohit. What were the primary growth drivers behind your top line expansion over the last 3 fiscal years?
As I said that every year we are growing our business, so that's why it's a reason that top line is increasing, because our capacity is also increasing every year. You can have a look over in presentation also that we have increased the capacity every year. So that is an symbol of the top line expansion.
Next question. Shreya Desai. What future demand you see in synthetic textile industry?
Yeah, we are looking good demand in synthetic textile industry because of its versatility and the product which is being processed due to the new technology. They are giving a very good feeling in a form of the fabric appearance, and even in the this trend changing of the fashion. Synthetic textile industry is doing good.
Okay. Next question. Yash Mistry. Can you elaborate on the advanced machinery or technologies recently adopted in your manufacturing operations?
It's difficult to elaborate the advanced machinery because it doesn't have any name. But whatever are the latest technologies, because we are buying from the China, and majorities of our water jets are from the China only. So we have whatever latest technology they have, we are adopting the same.
Okay. Next question. Gaurav Agarwal. What fixed assets are we going to purchase with IPO proceeds? Is it same waterjet texturizing, etc.? And are we going to enter any new segment apart from microfabric that we produce?
Uh, no, we are going to buy these water jet machine, texturizing machines, and folding machine from this new IPO proceeding, and they are the best machinery for making a synthetic microfabric.
Okay. Next question. Yash Mistry. Despite strong demand, what factors limit new entrants in this market?
Presently, we are not seeing any limit because every year we are seeing the good demand in that, and due to this demand only, we are expanding our manufacturing capacity. So presently, we are not finding any end threat on this market.
Next question, please. Raj Gandhi. What is the anticipated timeline for the new manufacturing unit to become fully operational?
So in FY26, we are planning to operate around 40 to 45% of the installed capacity, and in FY27, we are planning to establish around 20 in 27 around 80 to 85%.
Okay. Next question. Ananya Swaminathan. What factors contributed to the significant increase in EBITDA margins from 12% to 21%, and is this margin profile maintainable going forward?
Yeah, ma'am. As we are expanding our production capacity, so as we are aware that we are expanding our every year, so as the production increases, the fixed cost get decrease, and in scalability also we are better. So we are getting good discount in the purchases also as then when we are scalable. So these are going to increase. These are the reason that why our EBITDA is increased, and in future also we are trying to get. Much better than this.
Next question, please. Shreya Desai. Considering the high fixed and operating costs in the textile industry, how do you ensure efficient and sustainable daily operations?
Uh, Actually, we are on daily basis. We are concentrating more on the fixed cost and operating cost in our plant. We are assuring our level best efficiency and the floor efficiency to reduce the all type of cost, including fixed cost and operating cost.
Okay. Next question. Krisha Damani. What is your current working capital cycle and how does it compare to previous years or industry benchmarks?
Viral by to you.
Our present working capital cycle is between 65 to 75 days, and it is in mostly in line with the industry benchmarks.
Oh, next question. Angela George. Is grey fabric facing dumping issues from China? If yes, how are you facing this issue?
We are not facing any dumping issue from the China at all. Even as per our knowledge, there have many anti-dumping duties on the fabrics, and this is our raw fabric, which is not being imported by country.
Okay, next question. Cogent Invest. What is the biggest risk that you see which can hamper our growth journey? I guess Rajkumar sir has lost his connection. Viral sir, can you please take this question?
Something issues in my laptop, so I am here. Yeah, please.
Yes, so what is the biggest risk that you see which can hamper our growth journey?
At presently, we are not seeing any such risk in our growth of the company and in our industry also.
Next question. Partner Robots want to understand the pre-issue and post-issue valuation of IPO.
Neville Bhai is there?
So we have Bhavya sir from his team.
Yeah, Bhavya to answer.
So the IPO size is around 144 CR, roughly around a valuation of 575 CR. And if we talk about the PE,
The post-issue valuation of the company will be approximately around 575 CR. It will be at a PE of around, we can say,
25
14.
it will be around 25 PE at.
Bhavya, you wait.
No. It will
If
be
we
at
consider
a,
fiscal, if we consider fiscal 24, it will be at PE of 24 to 25.
yeah, but as per the December 2024 basis, it will be at a PE of approximately around 14 times.
Okay. As you said, you have done the backward integration. Do we have any plans for doing any forward integration?
No, presently we don't have any plan for the forward integration.
Okay. Next question. Cogent Invest. What is the debt we have on the books long term and short term? Also, can you give idea about our average rate of interest?
The long-term debt, the net long-term debt, reducing it by the installments which is payable in 1 year, which is treated as a current liability. Our long-term debt will be somewhere between around 38 to 39 crores as on December 24. There is a sanction limit of working capital facilities for short term, but we are not utilizing that much. The rate of interest will be somewhere around 8.5 to 8.7%.
Okay. Next question is from Ajay Gupta. What is the USP of the company?
The USP of the company, as I said, due to economic of scale, backward integration, better floor efficiency.
Okay. Next question. Krisha Damani. What are the plans to expand capacity utilization and Unit 4?
As I said, that we are expanding by from the current level. It will be the 48%, and overall it will be the 32%. We are expanding that much.
Okay. Next question. Arjun Verma. How is the company managing the impact of rising fabric and raw material costs on its margin and overall profitability?
As we are in the synthetic fabric, we are not seeing any major raw material cost fluctuations. So we are comfortable with this. So we are not finding any pressures on the margins and profitability overall.
Next question, please. Anandi Mittal. What kind of operating margin do we earn from grey fabric and PTY yarn?
Our gross margins in grey fabric stands around 37 to 39%, and in PTY yarn it stands around 11 to 12%.
Next question, please. Aditi Menon. How seasonal is your grey fabric demand and what industries or geographies drive most of your sales?
Generally, we are not facing any such grey fabric demand fluctuation. But sometimes, of course, it's as it is the fabric, there is some demands getting shorts. But as we are in the different types of industries, like 6 to 7, I said yes before, so we can convert our product from the, or we can switch our product from shirting to kurtis, or kurtis to home furnishing, or home furnishing to jacket industry as per the season. So we are not getting any such effect of the seasonal changes.
Okay. Next question, please. Dia Patel, what is the margin between the cost price and selling price per meter of yarn, excluding all operational cost?
I replied previously, it is somewhere around 11 to 12%.
Okay. Next question. Ankit, any plans to get into value-added products?
No, presently we are not planning to any value-added products.
Okay. Next question. Krisha Damani, are the manufacturing facilities fully owned or operated under lease arrangement? If leased, what is the lease terms and structure?
The all manufacturing units are on the lease agreements, and they are lease agreement is a long-term lease,
Okay.
and that is a registered long-term lease.
Next question. Cogent Invest. Our water jet loans are from China. If some ban comes on that, do we have any backup plan for that?
Yeah, many of the in Japan there are around 2 to 3 in Japan also, and in Germany also we can get from that.
Okay. Next question. Arjun Verma. What is the revenue potential for Unit 4?
As per the restrictions, we are not able to disclose any future revenue projections. Thank you.
Yes. Next question. Raj Gandhi. Who is our close competitor in the same industry?
Actually, in listed, we have shown in the RHP, and we can't
There are no
disclose.
listed peers right now.
Okay. Next question.
Wait, sorry, 1 minute.
Anyone wishes to ask the question, they can type their questions in the comment box. Cogent Invest. What is the cost difference between China and Japan loans?
Around Japan loans are 35% higher in cost than China.
Okay. Next question, please. Anandi Mittal. What are the primary business risks and how are you mitigating them?
It is already mentioned in the RHP.
Okay. Next question. I think we have covered majority of the questions. Ajay Gupta, all the best for the IPO. Thank you, Rajkumar sir. Thank you, Virar sir. And thank you, Bhavya sir. And all the best for the IPO.
Thank you.
Thank you.